Apple iPhone 12 Pro display type Super Retina XDR OLED, HDR10, 800 nits, dop, 1200 nits, peak, size is 6.1 inches, 90.2 square centimeters, tilde 86.0% screen to body ratio, resolution 1170 by 2532 pixels, 19.5 to 9 ratio, tilde 460p density, protection scratch resistant ceramic glass, oleophobic coating Dolby Vision wide color gamut true tone body dimensions 146.7 by 71.5 by 7.4 mm, 5.78 by 2.81 by 0.29 in. Weight 189 grams, 6.67 ounces, build glass front, Gorilla Glass, glass back, Gorilla Glass, stainless steel frame SIM single SIM, nano SIM and or eSIM, or dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby, for China IP68 dust/water resistant, up to 6 meters for 30 minutes, Apple Pay, Visa, MasterCard, Amex certified, platform OS iOS 14.1, upgradable to iOS 14.2 chipset Apple A14 Bionic, 5 nanometers, CPU hexa-core, 2x3, 1 GHz Firestorm plus 4x1, 8 GHz Ice Storm, GPU Apple GPU, 4-core graphics, memory card slot no internal 128GB 6GB RAM, 256GB 6GB RAM, 512GB 6GB RAM main camera quad 12MP, f/1.6, 26mm, wide, 1.4 micrometers, dual pixel def, OIS 12MP, f/2.0, 52mm, telephoto, 1/3.4, 1.0 micrometers, def, OIS, 2x optical zoom 12MP, f/2.4, 120, 13mm, ultra-wide, 1/3.6 tall 3D LiDAR scanner, depth, features dual LED dual tone flash, HDR, photo/panorama, video 4K at 24/30/60 fps, 1080p at 30/60/120/240 fps, 10-bit HDR, Dolby Vision HDR, up to 60 fps, stereo sound rec. Selfie camera dual 12MP, f/2.2, 23mm, wide, 1/3.6 SL3D, depth/biometric sensor, features HDR video 4K at 24/30/60 fps, 1080p at 30/60/120 fps, gyro ice battery type Li-ion 2815 mAh, non-removable, 10.78 watt-hours, charging fast charging 20 watts, 50% in 30 minutes, advertised, USB power delivery 2.0 Qi magnetic fast wireless charging 15 watts standby up to 17 hours, multimedia, music play up to 65 hours. For more updates subscribe to Tech News and share this video.